This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to tune Subaru Impreza, full guide. Start by establishing a safe baseline. Inspect spark plugs, intake, filters, and ECU logs. Confirm suspension, tires, and brakes are serviceable before making changes. Take clear notes and photos of stock settings, and back up the ECU before any adjustments. Prioritize safety and reliability as you plan power, handling, and drivability improvements. Warm up the engine and collect baseline sensor data with a wideband O2 and knock monitoring. Make one change at a time. First, optimize air-fuel ratio, then fine-tune ignition timing for safe power gains, and finally adjust boost control while watching knock and temperatures. Log every pass and revert if any parameter exceeds safe thresholds. Small, measured steps prevent costly mistakes and preserve engine life. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tuning videos. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers when working long days in the garage. They save time and cleanup and are perfect for busy wrenching sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set for yourself. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Address drivetrain and chassis to match performance increases by checking clutch condition, transmission mounts, and differential behavior. If torque rises beyond OEM limits, upgrade the clutch and consider a stronger differential. Adjust suspension damping, spring rates, and alignment to maintain predictable handling under load. Always test on safe roads or a track with telemetry, and iteratively refine settings to balance straight-line acceleration and cornering stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.